What if the smartest home you ever built cost less than a new truck? Most people spend their entire working lives dreaming of the perfect retirement home, then spend way too much building it. But here's what the industry does not want you to know in 2026. Some of the most livable, most beautiful, most future-proof retirement homes in America are being built for under $100,000, and they are one story, no stays, no drama, just smart design doing exactly what it should. Today we are walking you through real designs, real numbers, and real decisions that could change the way you think about your retirement home entirely. And I promise, if you stay until the end, the last section alone could save you tens of thousands of dollars. If you are new here, welcome to Affordable Homes and Plans. Hit that subscribe button right now because we drop fresh content on smart home building, retirement living, and budget design every single week. And if you have a friend or family member planning for retirement, share this video with them today. It could be the most useful thing they watch all year. Now let us get into it. Why one story is the only smart choice for retirement in 2026. Let us be honest about something right up front. A two-story retirement home is a liability waiting to happen. Stays are the #1 hazard for adults over 60. Falls are the leading cause of injury-related deaths among older Americans, and most of those falls happen on staircases. Beyond safety, two-story homes cost more to heat, more to cool, and more to maintain. You are paying for square footage that becomes inconvenient the older you get. The trend in 2026 is not downsizing. It is what designers are now calling right-sizing, which means building exactly what your life actually needs. Nothing more, nothing less. Single-story living eliminates the full risk from stays completely, and it creates a seamless flow that allows you to age in place comfortably without expensive modifications down the road. This is not about settling. This is about building smarter than the generation before us did. The honest truth about the under $100,000 budget. Here is where we need to be real with you, because too many channels will show you a beautiful home and drop a price that sounds impossible without telling you the full picture. So let us give you the honest breakdown. The under $100,000 figure we are talking about today refers to the structure build cost, meaning materials and labor for the home itself, on land you already own or have already purchased. It does not automatically include land acquisition, which varies enormously by state and county. It does not include septic systems in rural areas, which can run between $8,000 and $15,000. It does not include a well if you are off municipal water. And in some high-cost states like California, New York, or Massachusetts, labor rates will push your costs higher than in the Midwest, the South, or rural areas of the Pacific Northwest. We are going to give you designs that genuinely work within this budget in the right markets, and we will show you exactly how to make the numbers work wherever you are. The homes that hit this budget are typically between 700 and 1,200 square feet, built on a slab foundation, with simple rectangular or L-shaped footprints that keep construction costs low. Complexity is the enemy of budget. Simplicity is the friend of every retired homeowner. The open plan ranch, Design 1. The open concept ranch remains the gold standard of retirement home design in 2026, and it earns that title every single year because it works. Picture this. You walk through a zero-step front entry, meaning no porch stays, no threshold to trip on, straight into a wide-open living space that flows directly into your kitchen and dining area. The ceiling is vaulted slightly, which makes the square footage feel twice what it is. Natural light comes in from large windows along the rear wall. To the left, a corridor leads to 2 bedrooms. Your primary suite has a curbless walk-in shower, dual vanity, and a walk-in closet. The guest room sits at the end of the hall with its own full bath. That is it. That is the whole home. And at around 900 square feet with a simple rectangular footprint, this design built on a poured concrete slab can realistically come in between $70,000 and $90,000 in a moderate cost state. The key design features that make this work on budget are the single-story slab foundation, which eliminates crawl space or basement costs, the open layout, which requires fewer interior walls and less framing labor, the straightforward roofline, which is either a simple gable or a low-slope metal roof, and the compact plumbing stack, which keeps your kitchen and bathrooms close together to reduce pipe runs. This is not a compromise home. This is a complete home designed by architects specifically for people who want everything they need and nothing they do not. The cottage-style retirement home, Design 2. If the ranch feels too plain for you, the cottage-style one-story retirement home is your answer. This design brings warmth, character, and curb appeal without adding a single dollar of unnecessary complexity. Think of a 1,100 square foot footprint with a covered front porch, board and batten or lap siding on the exterior, a standing seam metal roof in a warm charcoal or deep green, and large divided light windows that give the home serious architectural personality from a street. Inside, the layout still prioritizes the open concept living and kitchen core, but the cottage plan adds a breakfast nook tucked beside a rear window, a small mudroom off the back door which is a genuinely practical feature for retirement living, and a primary suite that feels like a proper retreat with its own screen porch access if your lot allows it. The guest bedroom in this plan doubles as a hubby room or home office, which is one of the top requests from retirement home buyers in 2026 according to current design trend reports. Flex space for hobbies, reading, or a part-time on-call career is no longer optional in smart retirement planning. It is essential. At 1,100 square feet, this design in a moderate-cost market can be built for between $85,000 and $100,000 depending on your finish selections. The covered porch is the one detail that adds the most perceived value for the least actual cost. A basic covered porch with a simple shed roof can cost as little as $4,000 to $6,000 to frame and finish, and it changes the entire character of the home from a plain box to a proper cottage. The modern minimalist retirement home, Design 3. For the retiree who does not want fussy trim, decorative brackets, or country-style details, the modern minimalist one-story retirement home is one of the most budget-efficient designs available in 2026, and it is genuinely beautiful when done well. The design principle here is clean geometry. A simple rectangular footprint, a low-slope shed roof or flat parapet detail on the front facade, large fixed windows that frame views without adding operational complexity, and smooth stucco or fiber cement panel cladding in a warm neutral. Inside, the kitchen is handleless with push-to-open cabinetry, which is not just a style choice. It is an accessibility feature that helps enormously for anyone with reduced grip strength as they age. The countertops are a continuous quartz surface that wraps the island, creating a social kitchen that works for two people or for hosting grandchildren. LED toe-kick lighting runs along the base of the cabinets and through the hallway, which serves as nighttime guidance lighting and reduces fall risk without any visible hardware. This is universal design done right. The flooring throughout is luxury vinyl plank in a warm wood tone, which is slip-resistant, durable, and costs a fraction of real hardwood. At around 950 square feet, a clean modern minimalist plan like this can be built for between $75,000 and $95,000 in many U.S. markets, and the design aesthetic reads as significantly more expensive than it actually is. When your neighbors see this home, they will not guess the price. That is the power of intentional design over raw square footage. The ADU option, building small and living large. One of the most exciting developments in retirement home design in 2026 is the rise of what are called ADUs, or accessory dwelling units, being used as full-time primary residences rather than just guest houses or rental units. If you own land, or if a family member has land, a well-designed 700 to 800 square foot one-story ADU is one of the most efficient retirement homes you can build. At this size, the structure cost can genuinely come in under $70,000 in many markets, and modern ADU designs are anything but tiny or cramped. An efficient ADU retirement home at 750 square feet includes a full kitchen with island seating, a living room that comfortably accommodates 2 sofas, a primary bedroom with a proper walk-in closet, and an accessible bathroom with curbless shower, and a covered outdoor living area that extends your living space into the garden. The key to making 750 square feet feel generous is ceiling height, natural light, and eliminating unnecessary corridors. Every square foot should be purposeful. No wasted hallways. No awkward transitional spaces. The ADU retirement model also carries a significant financial advantage beyond just construction cost. Your property taxes stay lower. Your heating and cooling costs are dramatically reduced. Your maintenance workload is manageable on a retirement budget and a retirement schedule. And if your needs change in 10 or 15 years, the structure is much easier to modify or expand than a large traditional home. The design features that matter most for retirement living. Now that we have walked through 4 distinct design directions, let us talk about the specific features that every one of these homes should include regardless of which plan you choose. These are the details that separate a beautiful retirement home from a truly functional one. 0-step entries are non-negotiable. Every exterior door in your retirement home should be accessible at grade level with no threshold step and no porch stair. This applies to the front door, the back door, and any garage entry. You plan for the life you want to live at 65, but you also plan for the life you may be living at 80. Doorway width matters more than most people think. Standard interior door widths of 28 or 30 inches become a significant obstacle if you ever need a walker or wheelchair. Widening all interior doors to 36 inches adds minimal cost during new construction and makes a permanent difference in how the home functions. Curbless showers are the single most important bathroom feature in a retirement home. A walk-in shower with a linear drain, a fold-down teak bench, and a handheld shower head is both beautiful and entirely functional for anyone at any mobility level. Grab bar blocking, meaning solid wood blocking installed inside the shower walls during construction so grab bars can be added later without finding studs, is a detail that costs almost nothing during the build and is worth everything 5 or 10 years from now. Lighting quality matters enormously as our eyes age. Task lighting in the kitchen, adjustable ambient lighting in the living areas, and LED pathway lighting in halls and bathrooms all contribute to both safety and quality of daily life. And finally, smart home integration is becoming a standard expectation in 2026 retirement design. Voice-activated assistants, video doorbells, smart thermostats, and fall detection sensors are not luxury features anymore. They are practical tools that extend independence and give family members genuine peace of mind. How to keep costs under $100,000. The real strategies. This is the section most people come to videos like this for, and we are not going to be vague about it. There are 5 specific strategies that separate the retirement home builds that come in on budget from the ones that blow past it. First, keep your footprint rectangular. The moment you add angles, bump outs, or an L shape with a complex corner, you are adding framing complexity and roofline complexity. Every outside corner on a home costs money. A clean rectangle is your cheapest and most efficient structural option. Second, build on a slab. A poured concrete slab foundation is significantly cheaper than a crawl space or basement, and for a one-story retirement home, it is entirely appropriate and structurally sound. In most of the country, you can expect slab foundation costs to run between $6 and $10 per square foot, making it one of the most cost-effective foundation options available. Third, choose a simple roof. A gable roof or shed roof on a small one-story home is far cheaper to build than a hip roof or any design with multiple valleys. Valleys are where water collects and where roofing costs accumulate. A clean gable with proper overhangs keeps you dry and keeps your contractor happy. Fourth, make finish selections wisely rather than cheaply. This is a distinction most budget guides miss. Cheap finishes look cheap and wear out fast. But strategic finishes mean investing in the surfaces you touch and see every day. Your countertops, your flooring, your front door, and your bathroom tile, while choosing standard options for things that matter less, like interior door hardware, builder-grade light fixtures that can be swapped out later, and vinyl windows instead of wood. Fifth, build in a market where labor costs are favorable. This single variable can be worth $20,000 to $30,000 on the same identical home. Rural areas of Tennessee, Arkansas, Missouri, Alabama, and large portions of the Midwest offer construction labor at rates that make a sub-$100,000 build genuinely achievable. Coastal urban markets do not. What $100,000 actually gets you in 2026? Realistic expectations. We want to close with something important, because we believe in giving you information that actually helps you make real decisions. In 2026, $100,000 in construction budget gets you a genuinely comfortable, well-designed, safe, and dignified retirement home in the right market. It gets you approximately 800 to 1,100 square feet of thoughtfully planned single-story living space. It gets you 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It gets you an open concept kitchen and living area with natural light. It gets you 0-step entries, accessible bathrooms, and wide doorways. It gets you durable finishes that will last a decade without replacement. What it does not get you is luxury. It does not get you high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, or premium exterior cladding like real stone or cedar. It does not get you a large covered outdoor living structure or a detached garage. But here's the thing. Those are add-ons. The foundation, the layout, the functionality, and the quality of life that comes from living in a well-designed single-story retirement home. All of that is absolutely achievable within this budget. And you can always add the covered patio in Phase 2. You can always upgrade the appliances when the budget allows. What you cannot easily add later is a smarter floor plan. Get the design right first. That is always the most important investment. If you made it this far, Thank you for trusting us with your time today. Here's what we want you to take away from this video. A retirement home under $100,000 is not a dream. It is a plan. And the difference between a dream and a plan is the design work that turns one into the other. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more people who need this information actually find it. Drop a comment below and tell us which of the 4 designs we covered today speaks to you most. Is it the open plan ranch, the cottage style, the modern minimalist, or the ADU approach? We read every comment. And if you have not subscribed yet, now is the time. We have more retirement home design content coming that you genuinely do not want to miss. See you in the next one.